It is a gorgeous Labor Day Monday morning here in Richmond. It's supposed to get up to 96 degrees before the end of the day. Before it gets there, we're going to hike the Pony Pasture Trail. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm Greg Somerville, and I get to help lots of folks just like you moving in or to Richmond, Virginia, one of the best small cities in the U.S. To subscribe or to book a call, see the description below. I'd love to help you find your dream home here in Richmond. Pony Pasture Rapids Park is located just off Riverside Drive. It's open from sunrise to sunset. There's a big parking lot, as you can see behind me, but on a holiday morning like this, get here early. It's not even 8:30 yet, and you can see that the parking lot is already starting to fill. Someone was kind enough to put in a nice big restroom here in the parking area. Only problem is the gate is shut. Might be using the natural facilities today. The best place to start this hike is at the kiosk here at the northwest corner of the parking area. I've got kayakers piling in, bikers, hikers. I better get started. It's appropriate to pause here and honor Louise Burke, a real advocate of nature who led the effort to block a proposed expressway that would have come right here along the river and wiped out this beautiful terrain. Pony Pasture is a beginner-friendly trail. We're going to go just a little over 2 miles. Most of the way will be on these gravel paths. Easy to walk a dog, ride a bike. Lots of little side trails along here leading down to the best spots on the river. I bumped into a friend in the parking area who said to be on the lookout for these vines. These are amazing. Good morning. The further away I get from the parking lot, the less crowded it gets. Pretty serene down here. Still some dog walkers and others, but nice and peaceful. I've been walking along this gravel path since the parking area, but I'm at this intersection. I'm going to cross this bridge behind me and head into the wetlands. The path is a little bit narrower here in the wetlands section, but still very accessible. I seem to have the trail all to myself. Maybe that's because I'm lost. WL, Wetlands. I think I must still be on the right path. I found one of these nature viewing spots. I'm going to walk down this little boardwalk and see what I can see. Probably the most wildlife activity is early in the morning or toward dusk, so it's probably a little warm now for the critters. This is not where I would choose to swim personally, but I do see a heron enjoying himself in the background. Well, I've made it around the Wetlands loop. I'm now taking the Pleasance Creek Trail. I just can't get over how many Richmond folks like to come out and do stuff outside. I love this. It's still early morning on a hot Labor Day, and the crowds are out. As I head back to the parking area, I have to confess, I'm not sure I've been on the right trail this whole time. I have been at Pony Pasture. I've been beside the river. I've been in the woods. I've seen lots of my neighbors out here doing the same, but the trails are not super well marked, and that's okay. Whether or not I was on the right trail really doesn't matter that much. The fact is, it's a beautiful day. Life is good. I am glad to be living in Richmond.